Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Let's start today's class. So, student, in our online class, we have done the topic different types of nouns. So, some students were not present in online class. So, we will revise this topic again. Different types of nouns. So, now look at it. What is noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, things and animals. And we call the nouns is also naming words. So there are different type of nouns: common noun, proper noun, countable nouns, uncountable nouns and material noun. So first of all we will discuss a common noun. So here is this tree. Here is a tree. So when we say tree, so we will talk about a simple tree. Okay, journal tree. So tree is tree. We don't call it mango tree, neem tree. So it is common. Tree कोई भी हो सकता है. Any tree. So this is a tree, simple tree. So that is the journal name. Okay. So when the journal name say boy, like boy, girl, that we are called a common noun. Next one is proper nouns. Proper nouns is the name of specific thing or specific person. Here is a tree. And which kind of tree is this? Christmas tree. So Christmas is proper. Specific name है ना? So that is called proper noun. Next one, countable noun. Things where we can count. That is called countable noun. Chair को हम count कर सकते हैं 1 2 3 4. So that is countable. Next one is uncountable. Things where we can't count. चीज़ को हम count नहीं कर सकते. Water, milk, liquid things we don't count. So that is called uncountable noun. Next one is material noun. Material noun related to the materials, that things made from that. Okay, so gold, silver, paper, wood, that kind of they are the example of material noun. So students, I hope it is clear to you. Now next one, look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? So tell me, think about it and tell me. Okay, in this picture there are apple, fork, there is a jar, and in the jar there is a sugar, glass, there is a water in the glass, there is a tray, and tray is made from wood. So they are the noun: apple, fork, sugar, jar, water, glass, tray and wood. So they are nouns. So next one, there are some common and there are some material nouns. Sugar is common noun and sugar is also uncountable noun. Water is common. Okay, water is common noun and water is also uncountable noun. Apple is common but it is also countable. Spoon, tray, fork, so they are countable and they are common also. Material noun: glass, wood, gold, silver, iron, paper. So these are called material. कोई भी ये these are the material. ग्लास से हम क्या क्या बना सकते हैं? विंडो का ग्लास हो सकता है, बाउल हो सकता है, ग्लास प्लेट हो सकती है. ओके, दैट वी कॉल्ड वुड से हम क्या क्या बना सकते हैं? वी मेक फर्नीचर विद द वुड. गोल्ड से आप इयरिंग्स, चेन, लाइक दैट. सिल्वर इज ऑल्सो यूज इन टू मेक चेन्स, रिंग. ओके, iron is made for we use iron material for hammer, like that. Okay, paper, we made notebooks from the paper with the help of paper. So next one, countable and uncountable. Tray is countable, apple is also countable, spoon is countable and fork is also countable. Uncountable: wood, paper, gold and silver, they are uncountable and they are also material noun. Okay students, I hope it is clear to you. Next, move on the worksheet. This is your worksheet, different type of nouns. So you have there is a question 1, circle the proper nouns and underline the common nouns in the sentences. Here are 4 sentences: A, B, C and D. So you have to circle the proper noun and underline the common noun. Raghav ate an apple. So here Raghav is common, apple is common, and Raghav is proper. Next, Mumbai is the city in India. Here Mumbai and India is proper and city is common. Next one, Red Fort is monument in Delhi. Delhi and Red Fort it is proper and monument is common. I love the book Thumbelina. Thumbelina is proper and book is common. I hope question 1 is clear to you. There is question 2. Read the sentences, put a tick and underline nouns in the correct box. So यहाँ पे underline है कुछ nouns, उनको आपको which kind of noun is this, you have to tick in the table. Here is a table also. So A part, my cricket bat is made of wood. So wood is which kind of noun? Material noun. तो material को tick करोगे. Next one, father took up a ride in the car. Car is common or proper? Common or material? Common. कोई भी कार हो सकती है. Next one, C part. Mother has a pretty silver coin. Silver is material. Next one, I love my city. City is common noun. So you have to tick that column. I hope question 2 is clear. Next one, there is question 3. Read the sentences, put a tick for the underlined nouns. यहाँ पे कुछ underlined nouns हैं. You have to tick the counted noun then that we can count, and cross that noun that we cannot count it. So father said, why don't you add some sugar to the milk? Sugar is countable or uncountable? We cannot count the sugar, so you have to cross it. Next one, mother bought a chair for our living room. So here chair we can count the chairs, so you have to tick. Next one, I love my red cotton t-shirt and blue sports. You cannot count the cotton, so you have to, cotton is a material, so cross कर रही हैं हम, अब वो count भी नहीं कर सकते आप cotton को. So next one, my sister cannot find her sketch pens. You can count the sketch pen, so you have to take it. So I hope this worksheet is clear to you. Now move on the practice questions. So these are your practice questions. So let's discuss the practice questions. 1. Circle the proper and underline the common. So you have to find out which are the proper and which is common. So you have Apurva ate fruit for breakfast. Apurva is common and fruit is common. Apurva is proper. Agra is a city in India. Here Agra and India is proper and city is common. Taj Mahal is a famous monument. So monument is common. Taj Mahal is proper. I love the story The Ant and the Doe. The Ant and the Doe is proper and story is common. I hope question 1 is clear to you. There is question 2. Match the underlined words in the sentences with the correct category of noun. So here father put flowers into a new wash which is made from glass. Glass is a material noun, so you have to match with the material. Next one, my sister bought a new comic book for me. So here book is common noun. Next one, my friend Aditya painted a pretty picture. So Aditya is proper. I hope question 2 is clear. There is question 3. Read the sentences, put a tick for the underlined nouns that can be counted and cross the nouns that we cannot count it. So lemonade, first one, lemonade. We cannot count the lemonade, so you have to cross. Next one, father washed the utensils. You have to count utensils को count कर सकते हो ना, बर्तन. So टिक करेंगे B में. Third one is C part. I want to have some hot water. Water uncountable, so cross. Next one, D part. My young sister loves to play with toys. Toys को count कर सकते हैं. You have to tick it. So students, I hope question 3 is clear to you. So student, these are your practice questions. So students, watch this video. After this video, you have to do the practice questions and worksheet 4.3. So bye bye students, have a nice day.